Hey guys, this is the DREO Humidifier HM524. It comes with this user manual and the cleaning brush. This is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. It has a 6-liter water tank, which is great. And this control panel with a great display is amazing as well. You can fill the water by removing the tank and filling it that way, or just removing the top and pouring some water. You can set the preferred humidity in the room to set it to, and it automatically will put out the mist. It shows the current relative humidity in the room. You can set it on a timer, and also you have the choice of setting it to low speed, medium, and high. It has a pretty cool nozzle right here. You can direct it in the position that you like, so like forward, backward, or just straight in the center, and it puts out a pretty good mist up to 40 inches high. On the back there is a tray for the scented oils. This is a great surface top unit, and I really like the light that it has. You can actually turn it off if you don't want it to bother you at night. Great unit for nurseries and small bedrooms. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please support my channel by hitting the like and subscribe buttons, and have yourself a great day.